passé au rouge. Il est passé au rouge. Il est passé au rouge.
Ça va.
Angel, ça va. Alors on a la caméra de toute façon hein. Comment?
The way the blood had run down the front of the body strongly suggests either she had been talking to the offender when she was shot, expecting to happen, or the offender walked straight into the room, shot her, and then walked straight out again. That person has then
market that has strong population growth, 5.9% in the last 5 years. The home value to rent ratio is 11.8, which is pretty good. That's pretty close to that 1% rule, which says that basically you should net 1% of your purchase price and gross rental income per month. You can see again, if you look here in Tulsa, quite a few houses here under $200,000. Here's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,600 square feet for $130,000. Folks.
Công tử, không được. Phụ tô công tử điên rồi. Này, phụ tô công tử lại không hề hấn gì. Lưu tiên gia có thể xuống chảo dầu, ta cũng có thể xuống chảo dầu. Lưu tiên gia có thể trừ quỷ, ta cũng có thể trừ quỷ. Lưu tiên gia nói Vương Thượng Lâm cản trở long mạch, nhưng ta nói không có. Phụ tô công tử, điều đó chỉ có thể chứng minh là hai vị ngang tài ngang sức thôi, nhưng chuyện long mạch không thể tùy tiện đưa ra kết luận được. Nếu đã như vậy, thì mời Lưu tiên gia xuống chảo dầu. Nếu thất bại, vậy Phụ tô công tử, ngài đang làm gì vậy? Đau quá. Lưu tiên gia đây là đang chuẩn bị ném hàn the vào trong, hay là đổ giấm vào trong vậy? Hàn the gặp nghịch sẽ sinh.
What are you fucking doing? What are you fucking racing for, bro? What are you fucking doing? My God. What are you speeding for? You gotta slow down. You gotta slow down, man. Just relax. Can you go? No, I'm saying you can go in front of me. I'm saying you can. I say you can go in front of me.
Now you could slow down, just like I told you. I slapped shit out your ass.
Who's that? Lost lady?
Western Canada. It gives me an opportunity to come out and see other Coldplay fans from a different part of the country and join in the excitement there. The reason I think it has stayed so popular over 2 decades is because their music taps into the human experience. You have the experience of love, joy, pain.
It's sweet. And I don't know if they're chasing that guy! Yeah. Holy smokes! I'm glad you